Hi Chris, this is Zahid, and this is my assignment of Hadoop in AWS. Currently I'm having 4 instances on AWS. One is name node and 3 are data nodes. These are the private IPs of those instances, and these are the public DNS of them accordingly. To confirm that I'm having appropriate authorizations through generations of SSH keys on them, I'll run this command, and as you can see that I have come back to my 204, which is the private IP of my name node. So I'll not only able to SSH from name node to the data nodes, but from a data node to another data node as well. Usually through SSH key you can access from master or name node to a data node itself, but to access a data node from another data node you need that one extra file that in form of the PIM and configuration key that is required to have that kind of flexibility. To confirm that I'm having appropriate paths set up in my bash R profile, so it confirms that I'm having. To check that what kind of Java services are running in my system, so on name node right now I'm having only GPS which is running. Through this command I'll start my DFS services. Once it starts running, I can access it through a browser as well by putting the public DNS or public IP and then putting 570. In case if I go to my, already it's there. So if I press F5, it will refresh itself. If I go to overview, I'll be able to see that how many data nodes that are running. So I'm having 3 data nodes, and 3 out of 3 are live. I can start my yarn services as well as I can start my job history services. All these things are happening on name node. If I run the JPS now on my name node, I'll be able to see resource manager running because of the yarn, and secondary and name nodes running because of the DFS. If I go to any of the data nodes and run GPS command over there, I should be able to see node manager as well as a data node over there. We have created a word count Java file in Eclipse. I'll run it here to make a compilation out of that one so that it can be run later on. So it is converted into jar. I'm making one directory in HDFS. In case if I go to the web browser and check the file system there, I should be able to see a directory over there. Now I'm copying one book Hamlet from the name node to the HDFS. If I go now to this book, I should be able to see it there. Now I want to run this Java file word count, and to get the word counts result into another directory called result. So as you can see that the things are happening, but at the back end, so we cannot see that what happened. In case if we want to see its content, we can run either of these commands. So you can see that we are having your words 245, young without comma 8 times, young with comma 1 time, like this. In case if we go and refresh the browser systems, we can see it here. So these are the files over there. In case if we want to remove the contents of this directory result, which is the output of the book word count. So now this one is emptying the contents, and in case if I go and press F5, it's gone. If I want to remove the directory itself, I need to run this command, and now in case if I again press 5, the result directory has gone. In order to stop the services, we need to go back in the reverse directions. So we started with the DFS, and we should end the processes with the DFS. So we will start with the job history server. It's stopping over there now. Now let's stop the yarn services. So as you can see that the yarn, this command not only stops the resource manager on the name node, but it's also stopping the node managers on the data nodes. In case if I go and check the GPS now, I'll be able to see only that the DFS are running. In case if I go to any of the data nodes and run now the GPS command over there, I should see that the node manager is gone. So now I should run the DFS command for stopping, and now the DFS command, this command will stop the node manager, sorry, the name node and the data nodes on the data nodes. So now in case if I run the GPS, you'll see that I'm not running any of the DFS command over here. In case if I run a DFS command on any of the data nodes, I'll see that I'm running only the Java services. This is all for this assignment of Hadoop. Thank you. Bye bye.